everyone. I'm still a little clogged, but I am feeling much better than I sound. Believe me. Okay, I have completed number 2 of my Randal Spangler year-long event. Number 2 is for February. As you can see, number 1 is done. And then February's is number 2, and it is now complete. And it looks like we have a little drill here that wants to come up. Okay, we gotcha. So I am enjoying these little snack size kits. This took me 3 days to finish. There was color blocking here, some color blocking here, some here, and here's another drill. Okay. The drills are really tight in this square. So, I mean, they're squares. They're square drills, but they're really tight. So it's not like completely flat because this is kind of got a bump. So, but I had fun with this kit. And I did roll it, but I guess I need to do it again. So number 2 is done. Number 3 will be done during March. I'm really liking the dragons, and each number is a different color palette. So having fun with that. And I wish when I started, I would have somehow put the name of the month in the 1 and the 2, but it's too late now. I'm not going to be picking diamonds up to put JANFEB March, because this is going to go to my son's kids' playroom in December. So I'm excited. He's got 3 kids, and one of them is 9 months old. So she'll be learning months and numbers. If she's as smart as her brothers, I am sure by the time December gets around, she'll probably be saying the numbers already. For this kit, I did use my Diamond Art Club tray. And I used my pen from Dynamite Diamond Shop. I like this pen. It's flat on one side, as you can see. I like it. And this holds your pen. Now, this pen doesn't need it, but this pen does. I like it. This also doubles as a cover minder because it's big and heavy. So when I use the other cover minders and I'll put it there, the plastic just goes, and the cover minder doesn't do anything. This is nice and heavy. So I like this. I use this as a cover minder as well. So if you haven't tried it, go to Dynamite Diamond Shop on Etsy and try their pen rests. I really like it. I really like it. So that's what I used for this kit. So now this kit is going to get rolled up and put back in his box till March. I am currently getting your cards ready to go out. So here's one. There's going to be diamonds. I've already divvied them out. Oh, I didn't see that. There's a tray. There's the card. One of you will get that one. Another one of you is going to get this one. And then there is one right here that is completed. One of you will get the completed one. someone thought these were stickers. They're not stickers. It's a card. And I like sending people things. So this would be an inexpensive little surprise gift for 3 of you. So, and I don't know who's going to get what. You'll just have to wait and see. So tomorrow is Saturday. Oh, I'm so excited because you know what? It starts our event. Okay, so here is the list of the people I have so far for the event. All right, Cynthia V, Lorraine H, Shadowcraft, Sherry S or Snuggies with Snuggies Crafting Corner, Donna B, Laura of Crafty Chef Diamonds with hashtag Diamond Painting with Friends, Wendy P of Diamonds and Stuff, another good channel, Jessica E, Trisha Richards, Pat Faulkner, or F, sorry Pat, Pam H, Rosie O of RoseKnit 39. And if I say a channel, go check out their channel. And Tammy Short, Diamond Painting with NMD. Go check her out as well. So that's what I have. I'm super excited. I did not have any idea I would get this many people to celebrate Elmo's birthday and my birthday. So what am I going to be working on? Okay. Let me get my first canvas. And this is really the only mandatory one is my Elmo. I am so excited. Those of you that have seen my Facebook know that I like Elmo. You have seen my car. I've decorated my car. I've decorated myself. I've given Elmos away. I still have Elmos that I'm going to be giving away because I'm retired, so I'm trying to find homes for my Elmos. I do have some still in the box. I'm not going to be getting rid of the ones in the boxes. Someday I might actually decide to try to sell them. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing with them, but I'm holding on to them. So this is my first canvas. This is your small canvas is the only one you have to complete by March 15th. And because we are diamond painters, I know you're going to start another project. I just want to know what you're most wanting to start and why. That's all. But all you have to finish to be eligible for prizes is your small cartoon, small cat, small dog, small dragon, just a small gnome, just a small canvas. I gave those options as just ideas of what you could pick for your small canvas. So this Elmo is 9 inches by 11 inches. And I can't wait to start him tomorrow. Okay, let me put this back in here. And then after this one, by request, you guys wanted me to complete this one. Let me roll it back. It is called Party Time. and it is cupcakes. There are no special drills in this canvas, but those of you who know me know there will be special drills on this canvas. And my goal is to have this one done by the last day of our event, which is March 31st, and I will be doing a live on that day where I am going to be giving away the prizes. I do have family involved in this event, so I'm doing a live to do the giveaway so that there is no doubt on the honesty and integrity of this event, which is only from me and Mr. Pampered. There will also be a special event with myself and Mr. Pampered, so you don't want to miss that. So, as you can see, they are not started. And after this one, I think I'm going to do my Threads of the Universe, guys. I've been wanting to do that one. But this is the one you guys wanted me to do, so I am doing that one and my Elmo one. So I'm excited for that. So my dragon will be put back in its box. And I am going to get these cards out to you guys. Thank you for watching. And nobody commented on the odd gift that you could get someone for Valentine's Day. I really thought you guys would have said something. So I'm going to ask directly. How many of you would actually donate to a zoo to name a roach after your ex? I mean, that's a great idea. You could also donate a rat to your ex and have them feed it to a snake. I found that in my searches on Wikipedia, which is pretty interesting. You donate for a rat or a mouse, and then they feed it to a snake. I can't make this up, guys. It's all true. Would you donate to a zoo and name a roach after your ex? Come on, guys. Let me know who would do that. If you had the money and it would bring you joy, who would do it? I am so excited for this. I'm going to get these cards out to you guys. Thank you so much for those of you that are joining us in this event. I am just so excited. It's going to be fun. So let me I'm trying to get this canvas rolled up so I can put it back. Okay, let me try. See, when you put it away, you're going to roll it with the diamonds out. And I'm going to put it back in its bag. How many of you have done this, Randal Spangler? Is it one on your list to do? Let me know that too. This thing is so long, guys. All right. So remember, be kind to everyone you meet. Until Monday. Oh, tomorrow.